Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about kidney health. It's something you might not think about every day, but trust me, it's important. We're going to be discussing the top 5 fruits you can incorporate into your breakfast for a natural kidney detox. Now, I'm not talking about some crazy cleanse or anything like that. It's all about making small changes to your diet with foods that are packed with nutrients and can support your body's natural detoxification processes. And who doesn't love starting the day with some delicious fruit? So, if you're ready to show your kidneys some love and learn how to boost your overall health, stick around. First up, we have a summer favorite, watermelon. You know that feeling after a long day when you're super dehydrated and just need a big glass of water? Well, that's kind of what watermelon does for your kidneys. It's loaded with water, which helps to flush out toxins and prevent those pesky kidney stones from forming. But it's not just about the water content. Watermelon is also a good source of potassium, an essential mineral that helps regulate blood pressure. And as you might know, keeping your blood pressure in check is crucial for maintaining healthy kidney function. Think of it this way: high blood pressure puts extra stress on your kidneys, kind of like trying to push a heavy object uphill. It takes a toll over time. So, by incorporating potassium-rich foods like watermelon into your diet, you're giving your kidneys a helping hand in managing that pressure. And let's not forget about the taste. Watermelon is naturally sweet and refreshing, making it the perfect addition to your breakfast smoothie, fruit salad, or even just on its own. You can dice it up, blend it into a refreshing juice, or even freeze it for a healthy and hydrating snack. The possibilities are endless. So, next time you're at the grocery store, make sure to grab a watermelon and give your kidneys a delicious treat. Next on our list is a true superfood, blueberries. These little guys are like tiny powerhouses of antioxidants, which are compounds that protect your cells from damage caused by harmful free radicals. Think of free radicals as little troublemakers that can wreak havoc on your body, including your kidneys. Antioxidants, on the other hand, are like the superheroes that come in and neutralize those troublemakers, keeping your cells healthy and happy. And when it comes to antioxidants, blueberries are at the top of their class. They're packed with a specific type called anthocyanins, which have been linked to a reduced risk of chronic diseases, including kidney disease. But that's not all. Blueberries are also a good source of vitamin C, another powerful antioxidant that supports immune function and helps protect your kidneys from damage. So, how can you enjoy these little gems for breakfast? Well, you can sprinkle them on your cereal, add them to your yogurt, or even just grab a handful for a quick and easy snack. They're also delicious in smoothies, muffins, and pancakes. Get creative and see what works best for you. Remember, a healthy diet rich in antioxidants is like giving your body a suit of armor against disease. So, make blueberries your new best friend and watch your health flourish. Now let's talk about a fruit that's famous for its urinary tract benefits, cranberries. You've probably heard that cranberry juice can help prevent urinary tract infections or UTIs. But did you know that cranberries can also be beneficial for your kidneys? It's all thanks to a special compound they contain called proanthocyanidins, or PACs. These PACs prevent bacteria from sticking to the walls of your urinary tract, including your kidneys, which helps prevent infections. Think of it like this: the walls of your urinary tract are like a smooth surface and bacteria are like little sticky notes. PACs basically make those surfaces slippery so the bacteria can't latch on and cause an infection. And while UTIs are more common in women, cranberries can be beneficial for everyone's kidney health. They're also a good source of vitamin C and fiber, both of which contribute to overall well-being. Now I know what you might be thinking. Cranberry juice can be quite tart. And you're right. But that doesn't mean you have to force yourself to drink it straight. There are plenty of other ways to enjoy cranberries, like adding them to smoothies, muffins, or even making a cranberry sauce for your breakfast oatmeal. You can also find cranberry extract supplements, which offer a more concentrated dose of those beneficial PACs. So, whether you prefer them fresh, dried, or in supplement form, make sure to include cranberries in your diet for happy and healthy kidneys. You know the old saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away? Well, it turns out there's some truth to that, especially when it comes to kidney health. Apples are a fantastic source of fiber, both soluble and insoluble, and both types play a role in keeping your kidneys healthy. Let's start with soluble fiber. This type of fiber dissolves in water and forms a gel-like substance in your gut. This gel helps slow down digestion and regulate blood sugar levels, which is important for overall health and can reduce the workload on your kidneys. Now, onto insoluble fiber. This type of fiber doesn't dissolve in water and acts like a broom, sweeping through your digestive tract and keeping things moving along smoothly. This helps prevent constipation and reduces the risk of developing diverticulitis, a condition that can sometimes affect the kidneys. But wait, there's more. Apples are also packed with antioxidants, including quercetin, which has anti-inflammatory properties and may help protect your kidneys from damage. So how can you incorporate more apples into your breakfast routine? Easy. Slice them up and add them to your oatmeal, yogurt, or cereal. You can also make a delicious apple crisp or bake them into muffins for a healthy and satisfying treat. And if you're feeling adventurous, try adding a dollop of peanut butter or almond butter for a boost of protein and healthy fats. Remember, a healthy gut equals healthy kidneys, so grab an apple and start munching your way to better health. Last but not least, let's talk about a tropical delight that can do wonders for your kidneys: pineapple. This juicy fruit is known for its unique enzyme called bromelain, which has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a natural process that helps your body heal and fight off infection. But when inflammation becomes chronic, it can damage your organs, including your kidneys. That's where bromelain comes in. It helps reduce inflammation throughout the body, which can protect your kidneys from damage and support their overall function. But the benefits of pineapple don't stop there. It's also a good source of vitamin C, manganese, and dietary fiber, all of which contribute to a healthy body and happy kidneys. Now, you might be wondering how to incorporate pineapple into your breakfast routine. Well, you can always enjoy it fresh, diced up in your yogurt or oatmeal. You can also blend it into smoothies for a tropical twist or grill it for a unique and flavorful breakfast option. And if you're feeling adventurous, try making a pineapple salsa to top your eggs or tofu scramble. Remember, a healthy diet doesn't have to be boring. Get creative with your fruits and enjoy the delicious flavors while nourishing your body from the inside out. So, there you have it, folks. 5 amazing fruits that you can easily incorporate into your breakfast to support your kidney health. Remember, small changes can make a big difference when it comes to your health. By adding these delicious and nutritious fruits to your diet, you'll be giving your kidneys the love they deserve and promoting overall well-being. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips. And as always, thanks for watching.